Hi everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and your families are safe and sound. This is my first address to you, and I would like to express that I am really happy to have joined the Landmark Group. Lifestyle and Home Center are great businesses that you have made over the last 2 decades, and it's a real honor and pleasure for me to be part of this great team. I've always looked at these 2 businesses with great appreciation from outside, and here I am now part of this very team. A real honor indeed. These are trying times and also an interesting time for me to join this company. Not only I am getting inducted in trying to get to know how the company works and how each one of you operate, it is also a time where we are thinking on our feet as to how to make the best use of the opportunities that are coming up because of the changing times with COVID. Every change throws up opportunities, and I'm sure we are all thinking hard of how we would use these times to really emerge stronger and better. I really appreciate the kind of efforts and going out of your way kind of efforts being put out, especially for people in the stores who have been braving the COVID situations in different cities, the lockdowns, etc., to be in the store to serve our customers. During these times, the NPS score that I was observing are really high, which shows that consumers are really appreciative of the efforts that you are putting up in the stores. For my colleagues in RO and CO, I can see the late hours that you are putting on meetings, collaborating with each other, despite not being able to make it to office on a regular basis, and really pushing things forward so that not for a day we lag behind any of the things that we plan to do. My advice to all of you is to please maintain the utmost care in managing safety and your family and your health. Please take care of them, and please take care of all precautions so that you are safe, and that's the most important thing for us. The second thing is continue to collaborate, look at new ways of reaching out to people, asking for help, and together building a stronger future for us. We are all very sure that these things or these times will get over very quickly, and soon the festive season will be here, and we'll all be talking about great numbers and great business ahead, and 2021 will look very different from what 2020 is looking like. I'm here, and all my colleagues in office are here to help you out. Please feel free to reach out or seek any help or in any way that we can assist you. We look forward to supporting you in the great fight that all of you are putting. And as I said, we need to emerge much stronger from this COVID situation. Next week, I would be speaking to you at the open house along with some of my colleagues, and I look forward to interacting with you and answering some of the questions that you may have. Stay safe and see you soon. Thank you.